Chris Scourtas here with AutoWorks Off-Road. 2001 model Toyota Tundra. Look at her. ARB front bumper, snorkel, lights, rough country lights, Skyjacker 3.5-inch lift, 285, 75, 17-inch wheels. Oh, you know, it's just a good old work truck, custom rear bumper. A lot of custom stuff on it. Now, if you'll take a look under here, this is really what this video is all about. Kellen train horns. Right here, truck's a little dirty, sorry. Let me find my keys here. Turn this key on here. Let that Kellen compressor pump up the air tank a little bit, 2.5 gallon air tank in the toolbox so nobody sees it. And pretty quiet out today, Christmas Eve. Figure we wake a few people up for Christmas. Chris Scourtas back here. We're fixing to blast this train horn out here in the middle of nowhere Christmas Eve. Ready? Oh yeah. Get down. I feel like a truck.